In the previous video, you have learned some basic syntax of Pytest. In this video, you will learn how to use multiple test cases for one test function with Pytest parametrize. If we want to test our function with different data, it can be time-consuming to write different tests for different data. Luckily, Pytest provides an easy way for you to test one function against multiple data using Pytest Max parametrize. For example, here I have a function test contain word. This function simply tests if a particular word is in a text. So in this test, I want to test if the word duck is inside the sentences. There is a duck in this test and there is nothing here. And my expectation is the output of this one will be true and the output of this one will be false. Then to test these cases, I can use Pytest Max parametrize. The argument will be the name of the input and output. In this case, I name my input as sample and my output as expected output. And I will also provide the test data here. The argument of my test function would be what I named up here, which is sample and expected output. And now I can simply run test contain word, provide a word, the input, and I want to assert that it is equal the expected output. So if the sample is there is a duck in this test, then I want to assert that the output will be equal to true. So let's run the function that contains the test that we wrote previously and see if all the tests passed. Awesome, 2 tests passed. So you see in only one test function, I was able to test again multiple cases, which is very convenient. You have just learned how to use Pytest parametrize. In the next video, you will learn Pytest fixer, which allows you to use the same data for multiple tests.